In this video, we will discuss the top 3 best simulation games PC. So let's get started. Number 3. Truck Driver PlayStation 4. This is a game-type truck simulator where you are given a truck and you get your assignment. You must deliver the goods on time without problems to the destination, and you get your reward in experience points and the game's currency. Modify the truck to your specifications for better performance, and even get a new truck to enhance your chances of being a better trucker. On your journeys, you must change tires and fuel up, even changing engines if necessary. You must stay alert during the journeys and obey traffic laws while avoiding accidents. Number 2. MudRunner American Wilds Edition. This off-roading simulation game was developed by Saber Interactive and released in October 2017. Its lifelike terrains quickly react to the movement of the truck. It features 2 sandbox maps that are inspired by the rough terrains of North Dakota and Montana. Enjoy driving on rustic roads, muddy terrain, and through raging rivers. There are more than 30 powerful all-terrain trucks from popular brands such as Chevrolet, Western Star, and Hummer. You can equip them with up to 60 add-ons for different missions. You can also drive solo, or with your friends, as the game allows up to 3 other players in co-op multiplayer mode. Number 1. Euro Truck Simulator. With the simulator, you operate your own trucking firm. You hire drivers and managers, buy garages, and make investments so you can maximize profits. You also tune and maintain your vehicles to keep them in top shape. And you add lights, horns, bars, and beacons to customize them. In your truck, you will travel miles of actual roads where you will see famous sights and landmarks. There are downsides to this game. Leave yourself a lot of time to play it.